Hi, welcome to Miss Amy's Creations. I got a new kind of toy. I got a heat press for doing t-shirts, hats, and cups, mugs. Um, I have not tried it on the hats and mugs yet, but I'm going to show you how you do a t-shirt with it. So, okay, what I got is some heat resistant tape. Um, you'll want that to use for your press so that you can tape it down without any type of issues with your tape. So I'm just going to tape it a little bit here, just to make sure it doesn't move on me. And Kitty is already looking to help. Okay. Let's go put a little piece here, a little piece here. Now, because I'm doing this mostly because this is a larger size shirt. Now, I've already had my press heating. I've got it up to 281. And I am just going to swing this around so that I can place my shirt on here. Okay. One little. There we go. So we just want to place this on our pads here we have. I'm going to move that up just a hair. And then we take this, bring it back around. And this is the adjuster for the pressure. And then you just put the pressure on it. Now, for some reason, I have not figured out the timer, so I just kind of wing it on the time. I'm just kind of winging it on how long I keep the press on it. I've been doing about 15 to 20 seconds, but your DTVs will come with instructions. Okay, this is still hot, so I'm just gonna real quick, couple of seconds where I just was pulling on it, and then we can take this off. Now, we're going to want to let this cool just a little bit. Move that back out of the way. So my table is a good thing because it's already cool. So I'm going to let that cool on the table a second. Now, you can just peel it off. And there we go. Cute little Christmas shirt. So, if you like this demonstration, give me a like, a subscribe, and hit the notifications. And leave me a comment if there's something you have a question about or anything. Just leave me a comment.